patient. Okay, are you ready?
Yeah.
Come on, go.
You can remove the top.
Maya, hold on, hold on. Hold on. Okay.
Go, Maya!
Oh, you see it tastes like a chicken? Oh my god.
No.
I wish you could talk Percy and you can see the inside too from the bottom.
Does she know how to eat it?
I don't think so.
She's struggling.
She's slowly working on it. It's
So the inside is really like where it's at.
okay. Yes, yes. And the outside areas, I guess, just like
Just this side.
good girl, Maya. Happy birthday.
You don't have to eat that, girl.
What are you doing, Maya? You have so much more of your actual cake.
Did we help her? No, she got it.
There you go, she got it.
Oh, there you go.
I'm gonna try putting it in the box after. Oh, she got it. Ooh, delicious.
Good job. Wow.
She's actually killing it. She definitely has a preference of one part of the cake over the other. She literally gave up on
The
on the
outside.
topping part. Yeah.
She doesn't like icing. Okay, good job. Alright, we can trash the top.
See it? See, maybe she'll eat it. She'll probably turn it over. Let's see.
She's really not that much about it.
She's just licking the inside now. Oh, oh, she's working on it. Look at that. I really think she doesn't know how to eat this part. Oh, okay. Now she's doing it. Yeah, she doesn't know this part. The other part is really easy because it's just mush, right?
Does the box have like anything on what it is?
No.
I'm actually surprised that was just 15.
Yeah? What is a $50 cake? Is it
It's
this?
bigger.
I see.
Like you can share with friends.
I see.
If you have
Other
dog
dogs?
friends, yeah.
To be fair, I think that the cakes that we eat at home are like this too.
Like this.
Not this size.
Such a cool concept. Are you done?
They have all the different kinds of cakes too. I wonder how if Maya would have liked the lamb cake. Or what was the other one?
They have turkey.
They have beef,
Yeah.
turkey, and lamb. I think. No, do dogs don't eat pork?
They do. It's just not the healthiest meat.
Nice.
It's like the least healthy.
And we eat it.
We care about our dogs more, I guess.
And ourselves.
It's just fatty, right? They also don't process fat as well as us. Maya. Maya.
We demolished the cake. It's tough, huh? That's why.
Yeah, just lie down. Take your time. Should this be like a thing? Maya tries, different kinds of.
Maybe treats? I don't know about cakes. No, we gotta reserve these for special occasions. Right? Like it's like you know how we have like the food stuff for humans? It's like that too. She's rating treats. We can give a rating of this cake after, this evening.
She likes it. I'm surprised because she didn't like the one we baked.
Oh, really? Well, she did.
She didn't eat it, like all of
She
it.
didn't kill it, yeah.
Is that it?
Yeah, you can see.
Okay, Maya, you're done? Let's clean up the extra bits.
Yeah. Maya, why are you starting where I'm trying to clean? Huh? Here, have this one. Here, Maya, Maya, Maya. Maya, you dropped both. It's 10. Or no, it's probably 11 now, right?
Yeah. Alright.
It's 2:30. I didn't even hear the bell ring at 10.